Power supply is an essential topic in the digital television course of the Vocational Certificate Program in Electronics, Buddhist Era of 2567 curriculum. Previously, instruction relied on videos, computer simulations, or actual television sets as demonstration tools. Using experimental kits, however, allows students to conduct hands-on experiments and directly interact with the equipment. The resulting voltage measurements and electrical waveforms help students connect theory to practice, strengthening their ability to analyze operational processes and troubleshoot digital television receivers, especially the power supply section, which is a vital component. LCD TV Power Supply Operation Test Kit. This invention aims to enhance the functionality of the existing power supply used in LCD televisions with LED backlighting, enabling clearer visualization and understanding of the power supply system's operation and sequence. This is an LCD TV Power Supply Operation Test Kit. This test kit allows for manual and application control of a digital voltmeter display. It includes a program to control a microcontroller with Bluetooth connectivity, ESP32 NodeMCU, and also supports control via Google Assistant. It consists of a digital LCD voltmeter for measuring voltage at various points and displaying values in numeric format, and a test point for measuring electrical waveforms (PWM) that provide accurate values compared to standard values. This experimental activity helps students understand how the power supply works, resulting in higher skills and academic achievement in the subject of digital television.